Hey, this is Subtle with Irrelevant Gamers. Today we're going to look at making PvP dashboards in Grafana for your Conan Exiled server. So at the end of this, we should see it look like this. This is our actual live dashboard. We're going to start off by downloading Grafana. So we'll just go to grafana.com, click on Downloads, Download, click on the platform that you're running. We're going to download the installer. Now, I do already have this downloaded, so I'm just going to switch over to Downloads and run the installer. Once you're downloading this, we can also go ahead and download plugins. The plugin that we'll need for today is actually SQLite. So this is going to connect to your game database. We're going to click on installation for the plugin. And there is a download the .zip file. We'll need that. So we're going to go ahead and browse to the Grafana installation folder. Program files, Grafana Labs, Grafana plugins bundled. And we're going to extract the plugin to this folder. So we're just going to extract the whole folder here. Grafana is installed. We just need to restart the service for the plugin to work. Starting, and it's running. Okay, now we can go to our local Grafana instance, which is the local IP port 3000 by default. You can configure all this in the INI. First login is going to be admin. We're going to set a new password. You can also enable unauthenticated access, anonymous access, but we won't do that in this video. We'll probably do another one. So the first thing we need to do is go verify that our plugin is installed. So we can see SQLite's there. So we need to add a data source. We'll click on add a data source. SQLite. You're going to name this whatever you want. It can be SQLite, it can be SQLite Conan, it can be SQLite Exiled Lands if you have multiple servers, just whatever. So the path is going to be the path to the database file and the database file name. So ours is currently in C, Conan server, dedicated server launcher, saved file, and we have game.db, which is what the game actually runs on. And then you have these backups that are created every 5 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you're configured to do. I don't like to point directly to game.db because that is the active game database. I'll point usually to game backup 2 or 1. I like to do 2 just because it's 2 steps away from live data. It's just a preference. So we're going to put in the path and then the file name at the very end of that. Save and test. All right, and now we can go over to dashboards. So we're going to click on manage, import. We do have a JSON dashboard. Open, import. And if we click the name here and go to edit, we can point it at the new data source, save, or apply, edit, new data source, apply, and that's just the difference in name and my data source and whatever you create. Apply. And apply. And you can change the layout or the appearance of these. This is just the basic Grafana settings. And that's really it. You can save this dashboard. You can share this dashboard via an actual export. You can do it via snapshot. You can do it via an embed. What we do typically is we'll give out the link to the dashboard. And we also have the embeds on our website. So you can look at player ranks overall or weekly, daily, things like that on different pages. The one hiccup here is that by using this default method, you will see data aging off the game events tables. So this all-time leaderboard will only be about 20 days. There is a fix for that. I'm going to show it in another video. It's basically just building another SQLite database that keeps track of all the events as they become new on a timer. That's really it. That's how you get a PvP dashboard. All right, we'll see you next time.